again to DJ Participation Week. Today we're going to learn about why is the environment important. The environment is important to lots and lots of people to live. Trillions of people die. Maybe because the environment isn't like keeping them safe. If you found in a pen and you throw it on the ground, oh, I saw that person throw it on the ground. You can pick it up and put it in the bin. So you can save lots of people's lives, even though diseases maybe can happen. It's not only about trees that you're worrying about. There are so many people in the earth. You have to save the earth if you want to live. The earth is like a treat to me, because we get to live. But if the environment didn't exist, this world wouldn't be like all messy all around the cities and the towns. Say, Ollie throwed. Ollie was throwing a trash can, sweets on the ground, but only the wrappers. And she thought nobody was watching. That's okay. It's only me. But what if a child, all the way to an adult, copied for the whole life of its own body life? It keeps on throwing it. You can't now. If Ollie just saw it throwing it, you can't count it, him or her, because you're the one who showed Ollie or whoever that person could be. You just show them something. And I hope you like this video and subscribe. It only takes you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3.